next, we saw that we will be talking about community protest. You know what is protest? You must have seen rallies, you must have seen buns, you must have seen people on the street. There is a dharna, or there is people going on the street and a candle march for some reasons. Okay, so here we saw that when Yasmin Khala in the story was talking about the garbage collection and about the facilities the municipal corporation gives us, she also told that there is a situation given about a woman named Ganga Bai. Now, in her locality, there was a lot of garbage spread, and because of that, everybody around, there was a lot of animals coming in, and then the cow dung, and they were littering all the place. There were a lot of flies, insects, mosquitoes, all these were there. So, because of that, she was very annoyed, and everybody around were getting sick. So, and nobody was coming and taking care of the situation. And they had made it into a garbage dump, the nearby place. So she very well knew who to reach to. She gathered few people of her locality and they all went to talk to the ward councillor. Now in return, the ward councillor gave them suggestions and they told that they went to the ward councillor with slogans, with shouting loud, and then the ward councillor advised and promised that it's better that we should take signatures of all the people in your locality who are having problems. Now this taking signature is also one of the protests, that is signature campaign it is called as. So he advised to take the signatures and he promised that the next day we will go and meet the municipal commissioner regarding this matter. He suggested that taking the local sanitation engineer with them and the next day might be a good idea. So the sanitation engineer could also speak with the commissioner. Yeah, he can also tell what are the problems he's having, why the garbage is not being collected and why it is made it as a dump. So that every evening children ran from house to house making sure that as many families as possible signed the petition. The more, the better. So the next morning, a large group of people with the woman, with Gangabai, ward councillor, sanitation engineer, they all went to the municipal corporation office and they met the municipal commissioner. So Gangabai smartly, the commissioner met with the large group and began giving excuses that the corporation did not have enough trucks. But Gangabai smartly replied, but you seem to have enough trucks to collect garbage from rich localities. So there can be no excuses given by the municipal corporation as we pay the taxes and we have the right to receive the facilities that are given to us by the municipal corporation. So they must have left with lots of words because obviously there are a lot of trucks. It's like we are living. We have started with a movement of Swachh Bharat movement, and in that there are so many people that are being employed to pick up these garbage from every locality, and every day you must be hearing also. They come in the van and take the garbage from your locality. So there can be no excuses for that. And they would care immediately, and Gangabai threatened that if it was not done, a larger group will come. So this is called protesting. If a voice are not heard, the larger group will come to, so that it is known that what are the difficulties are being faced by the people of the locality. So within 2 days, another large and more noisy protest, the sanitation service in the locality became regular. And now, well, this sounds like a Bollywood film that was with a happy ending. So finally, the problem was solved and they were happy with what was done. So the children were enjoying the stories of Gangabai, of Yasmin Khala, and that is how they were able to know about the work of the municipal corporation. So the basic, we'll just revise it. The work of the municipal corporation, that is Nagar Nigam, it is also called as Mahanagar Palika, or it is called also known as Nagar Palika, is a body of the government that works for the people of the city. The Nagar Nigam or the municipal corporation is in the city with the large. It's in the place, or it's in the city with larger population, whereas rural administration or the rural government is in the villages that carry out the basic amenities of the village people. Similarly, municipal corporation takes care of the basic amenity of the city people at a larger, because city is large and with more population. So it focuses on education, health, collection of garbage, cleanliness of the place, maintenance of the park, roads, bridges, dams, all these are being looked after by the municipal corporation. And the funds that come in the municipal corporation are from the different taxes that we pay, like the income tax, house tax, property tax, water tax, road tax, toll tax, even like the entertainment tax or the educational cess. These are the funds that are being given to the municipal corporation to run a smooth maintenance, and smooth facilities can be given to the people with the help of a ward councillor, who is the head of a ward, known as the ward councillor. In Hindi, he is also known as Parshad. Now, you need to ask your parents about which ward do you belong to. Okay, that is your homework. And I hope you have understood the portion very well. And thank you.